History and culture. Perfume recipes on clay tablets. In the heart of ancient Mesopotamia, nestled between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, lived Ishtar, a bright young girl, eager to learn. One day, while wandering through the bustling marketplace, she stumbled upon an intriguing stall, filled with fragrant aromas. Ishtar approached an elderly woman, who stood behind a stall, piled high with fragrant jars and intricate clay tablets. The woman, named Inanna, was a perfume maker who had inherited her craft from generations before. Inanna shared with Ishtar that the secret to her scents was written on these clay tablets, which held the recipes for perfumes dating back thousands of years. Ishtar's eyes sparkled as Inanna unrolled a tablet, revealing the ancient cuneiform script. Determined to learn more, Ishtar spent the next few days working alongside Inanna, learning the secrets of perfume making and deciphering the ancient symbols written on the tablets. With each passing day, she grew more engrossed in this fascinating world. As the days went by, Ishtar began to master the art of perfume making. She learned how to carefully mix and blend different herbs, flowers and resins, to create unique scents that filled the air with their enchanting aromas. With a newfound sense of pride, Ishtar finally presented her own perfume to the people of Mesopotamia. The crowd gathered around, intrigued by the mysterious scent that seemed to captivate them all. As the people tasted and smelled the fragrant mixture, they were taken aback by its delightful aroma. They praised Ishtar for her incredible creation, and she knew that she had accomplished something truly special. The elders of Mesopotamia took notice of Ishtar's talent and recognized her as a true master of perfume making. They presented her with valuable rewards and honored her with a place among the city's most esteemed craftspeople. Inanna, touched by Ishtar's passion and dedication, offered to teach her the secrets of the ancient perfume tablets. Together, they worked tirelessly to preserve these valuable recipes for future generations. Ishtar soon became known as the greatest perfume maker in all of Mesopotamia, and she used her newfound wisdom to teach others how to create their own fragrant blends. The marketplace buzzed with excitement as more and more people gathered to learn from this extraordinary young girl. As the years passed, Ishtar continued to share her knowledge with others, ensuring that the ancient art of perfume making lived on. The marketplace remained a vibrant hub of activity, filled with the enchanting aromas created by this talented young girl. In the end, it was not just the scents that brought people together, it was the shared passion for learning and creating something extraordinary. Ishtar's story serves as a reminder of the power of curiosity, resilience and determination in the pursuit of knowledge and culture.